always had your side, and you just took it all away. You made me wanna cry. And when I'm feeling down, I lose all control. Emotions keep coming down, trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like you're my only friend. Always.
What's up, KM family? Welcome to or welcome back to another
KN and M reaction.
Today, the video that we will be reacting to is
Locksmiths.
This video was suggested by
Sadiq W. Mustafa.
But before we get into the video, for those of you that are new, click that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of our new uploaded videos, and click the like button. Now, let's get into the video.
That mirror is so dirty.
Polaroid. Oh. What was that about?
Why did he touch her face like that?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
Ah!
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh!
He just cracked that skull. Wow.
And then go back to work.
There. You look like a gem. Yeah, that's the one. Right there.
What? 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 Why are you giving her the other lady's eyes?
Is he trying to make somebody or something?
There you go. You didn't realize she had a spot in her eye? He's trying to create another person. Y'all may not want to go in. They may not be who they may not be true locksmiths, because he said, you look like a gem. You know, he gave him a little sticker to put on his shirt.
5B look.
He's not paying you any, never mind. You're gonna regret breaking in that house. Oh yeah, they're going in to steal stuff. Bringing back memories. Look like your parents.
Why you say like that? Well, while you're around?
Because the way he looked
Anything
like.
good? No.
Yeah.
Hang tight. push a button. I'm pushing it. The other one.
You're caught.
We were just testing your locks. See, we noticed that you had a little defect on your door.
Yeah, we are from DNA Lockpicks.
Smith. DNA Locksmiths.
Locksmiths.
See, we noticed that you had a broken lock on your door and, well, you know, we had to check it out.
Yeah, we didn't want anyone else taking advantage of it.
Who else?
Well, who else, right?
Why, thank you. You're such fine gentlemen.
Girl,
Well,
I'm sorry.
I think she's
Old
playing a
people-
role. I think she's playing a role, but go ahead.
If she playing a role, then she doing it good. But I hate when old people, like, I know they be like, okay, you're so sweet, darling. But no. If I know that when I start to get wrinkles and I'm in the wheelchair, I'm like, who? Who are you? I ain't called
But you know-
nobody. You better get your tail out of here before I go get my Glock.
I'm like, yeah, who called you? Why are you in my house? You know?
I'm gonna get that AK.
How did you pick? You had to pick mine because my door was
I
locked.
said AK. My shotgun.
And see, they look kind of nervous, but you know, I don't think they want to hurt her. They just want what she has. But I think you need to be scared of the old lady because you don't really know. She may be playing a role here, and she may be playing a role just because she wants to save her own life, just in case they do try to kill her. But you know,
Right.
we just want to do what's right, man.
No, you don't.
We are in trouble. Oh, relax, man. We got away. No, we didn't. Trust me, that lady was absolutely clueless. Besides, we're gonna get better at this. Well, I'm out. What do you mean you're out? I quit. Come on, man. You know I can't lockpick. This was a
Well, then
bad
learn.
Since you want to do
Bad
this,
idea. Starting a locksmithing company in a boring, safe town like this. That was the bad idea.
oh, that's the other guy. I'm gonna say, did they go back and kill the old lady?
One more moment, okay?
Y'all finna pick the wrong house.
Just one more.
Yeah.
Pay you for the month. And pay the rent. We can go back to the old-fashioned locksmith. Please.
Now, what's in that house? That house don't look like it got nothing, but you know, you can't, you know, you really picked the wrong house. You can't judge a book by its cover.
Hey, how much?
Boy, just go home.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, how much you think this will fetch us at Jimmy's? What do you think? 50 maybe? Come on, man. We got a room full of antiques and you're gonna go for a damn garbage bag? Hi. I'm very sorry. We were just testing your locks.
Oh, don't mind me. I was just clearing out and cleaning up the house. I didn't hear you guys come in, so I'm sorry.
We're from DNA Locksmiths, and well, we noticed a defect on your door.
Oh.
I mean, so we noticed a broken lock, and
We must have the wrong address. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I'm sure it happens a lot.
He got green eyes. Oh.
you know what? We're gonna. Let me take the trash out for you on our way out.
Oh, no, it's okay.
No, I insist. I
it's okay.
I didn't mean to barge in on you and invade your privacy. It's okay. I'll take.
Ooh.
Leftovers from the party I hosted. That's a shame. All this wasted meat.
Boom. And you gonna leave your friend. Wow!
Damn it! A man is trying to kill my friend. Yes.
Oh,
hurry.
you just broke into his house. You can't do it. You don't know how, dude.
He told you he wanted to stop, and you kept bugging him. Once he saw them eyes, he said, "Oh,
Yeah.
you what I'm looking for."
You have the eyes. Dude, you don't know what you're doing. You already said you don't know how to do that.
Officers, over here! What? There's the weapon! No, this is not a weapon. I just need you to turn around! Listen, you're making a mistake. I need you to get in that house. Same one. You're under arrest. I need you to get in that house.
See? You want me ready, John?
I need you to listen.
Boom, boom. Wow. I just knew he was going to get shot, but I forgot. They just tased them. The perfect time.
Stop it! Oh, we got you. Out.
You're not going anywhere.
Out. Oh. The door. Watch your head. Watch your head.
He ain't waste no time.
John, not with him. So now I guess he going to dismember him.
There you are.
Wow. You are a sicko. I bet she's smelling and everything. Ooh.
They kissing.
I was looking to look at the picture. I wasn't looking at him. Baby, you'll never get that back. I don't care how many people, how many pieces of other people you put on her to try to recreate her, you'll never have her back. You are a sick individual. You actually killed all these people to try to put her back together. She still don't look like that. You know, so she got stitches all in her face, arms and everything. Wow. But see, if he had listened to his friend,
He would have been alive.
He would have been alive right now. But because of you, you wanted to be a thief. You didn't want to do the honest thing. That's what happened. Now you going to jail. See? Well, you guys, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with everyone you know. And Sadiq W. Mustafa, that was a good one. Continue to send us suggestions. We're enjoying them. See you guys in our next video.